Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today just wanted to go over basically how well the downpipe does. My car is a stock car, downpipe only, no tune. So previously I had done a draggy video. I was able to get a 0 to 60 of 3.90. I had just done another draggy run after the downpipe. The DA wasn't as good, but the run was still better. I was able to get a 0 to 60 of 3.79, so already an improvement with lesser conditions, which is great. So the downpipe does actually add power without having a tune. So I was also able to get a quarter-mile run in for the first time. I never was able to do it before the downpipe because I haven't had the car all that long and haven't had the time to do it. But nonetheless, I was able to get one today. The car was actually able to do the quarter-mile in 11.99, so it broke 12 seconds, which is awesome.
Yeah, baby. Yeah.
Made it to the 11s, stock tune, downpipe. A lot of people have done it supposedly as well, but it doesn't really count as far as I'm concerned unless I've done it in my car. So the car was able to get an 11.99 at 113.57. I'll throw all those little draggy verifications up just so you guys can see. So the downpipe definitely did add performance without having the tune. So far, still no check engine light. That's been good. It did pop up once. I cleared the code. I spoke with the guys over at Autowork. If you guys didn't know, if you're new to the channel, I have an active Autowork catted downpipe, and sometimes they say when you put a downpipe on the first few miles, it'll be in the greening stage. So what happened was it did get a check engine light after about 700-800 miles of, you know, all kinds of driving daily, this, that, the other thing, spirited. So I reset the check engine light, and that was already a few months ago, and I haven't had the light come back on. So that's a good thing. So they do stand behind their product. That's just part of the process of getting it to, I guess, pair up with your car. But nonetheless, no check engine light, stock tune, and we were able to get an 11.99 at 113.5 miles per hour. So I gotta say, overall, I'm very happy with the car as far as the power it has in stock form. I will be tuning it in the near future. I'm just basically making sure everything is good warranty-wise before I start messing around with the car, and then I will continue to build the car. I would like to do wheels, tires, lower it, you know, things of that nature. Maybe a front lip get added. So I'm slowly working on the car. The build will continue, and we'll take it from there. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time. More stuff coming and more fun coming.